Hello everyone, welcome to one of the best blog theme, Glamer. This is the best theme of WordPress org. So today I'm going to explain why it is best, because it has so many features that you can set and modify according to your choice. So let's talk about the first features. As we have is general options. So in this general options we have preloader options. From this preloader option you can change your preloader from here. As we have created some default preloader, you can change by choosing preloader from here. But also, if you want to change your custom preloader or add your custom preloader, you can just simply press on custom preloader button and you can change your custom preloader from here. Moving down, it has primary color and secondary color. If you want to change your primary color and secondary color, you can change from here. Moving down, it has top to bottom button settings. You can keep on and off this button. And also, if you want to change and customize top to bottom icon, you can do the things from here. You can change icon color and background color from here. So let's talk about the next features. The next feature is theme color. In this theme color, it has 4 kinds of color, like body color, primary color, secondary color and border color. You can change all the color if you want to. Let's jump to the next thing. The next thing is custom font option. In this custom font option, you can change or add any kind of fonts from here according to your choice. Alright, the next feature is typography options. From here, you can change your typography style freely. Like it has body typography settings, heading typography settings. This section actually allows you to change your typography style freely. So, moving to the next thing. The next thing is header option. As you can see, there is a default header option. This is basically for the default header option. From this default header option, you can change your default header system. For this default header, you can change your header logo and size from here. In addition, it has Elementor header system. If I go there and click, it's showing you all the Elementor header option. If you want, then you can change all the Elementor header system globally in your full website. And also, if I go there and click on Glamer headers, you can see we have already some pre-made Elementor header system. So you can use any of them if you want. So jump to the next thing. The next thing is banner option. So in this banner option, it actually gives you the facilities to change your banner background from here freely. And also it contains breadcrumb option. Like you can change your breadcrumb text color, breadcrumb link color, breadcrumb spacing and height from here. And also if you want to change your content alignment and the rest of the things, you can change all the things from here. So the next most important features is blog page option. In this blog page, there is a different kind of blog layout, and each one of them blog layout has separate grid style. With this separate grid style, it has also select column option. You can change your column settings by here. So let me give you the example. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step process that how does it work. So let's choose the first one blog layout, which is full grid system, and select the first grid style, and also select the 2 column option and click on save. And let's see what happened. As you can see, it has been changed. It has been changed its design and style. Let me give you the second example. Go back to the settings again, and I'm going to choose second grid style and changing the column style from 2 to 3 and click on save. And again, let's see what happened. See, it has been changed its style and design. Go back to the setting again. Now I'm going to choose the second one blog layout option. It's called left sidebar, and with this left sidebar I'm going to choose the grid style 1, and with this grid style I'm going to choose the column option 1 and click on save. And let's see what happened. See, it has changed its style. As you can see, it is left sidebar. Go back to the setting again. Now I'm going to choose the second one grid style, and also I'm going to changing the column option from 1 to 3 and click on save. And let's see what happened. See, it's changed. Go back to the setting again. Now I'm going to choose the right sidebar and click on save. And let's see. And see, it changes its style. As you can see, this is the right sidebar. Let's back to the setting again. Now, after left sidebar and right sidebar, it has also list sidebar. The first one list sidebar is left list sidebar, and I'm going to choose the first one. And also the grid style is first one, and as you can see, there is no column option. So just click on save and go back to the blog page and refresh it, and see, it's changed. Go back to the setting again, and I'm going to choosing the second grid style and click on save, and go back to the blog page, refresh it. See, it has been changed, totally changed. Go back to the setting again. Right now I'm going to choose the right list sidebar, and I'm going to select the grid style, the first one. Click on save. Go back to the blog page and refresh it again. See, it's changed, it's totally changed. Go back to the setting again and change the second one, and click on save, and go back to the blog page again and refresh it again, and see, it's changed, it's totally changed. So in this way you can change your blog layout settings and also grid style settings. So moving on to the next features. The next feature is this single post option. As you can see, it has some similarities with this previous one option. Like the blog page option, it has also the page layout option. As you can see, there is 3 variant kind of page layout option, and each one of the option has separate style. So now I'm going to show you how does it work. So now I'm going to choose the first layout option, and also as a style I'm going to choose the first one. Click on save, and let's see what happened. See, this is the first one style, which is called full width. There is no border and anything. Let me give you the second example. Go back to the setting again, and I'm going to choose the second layout option, and as a style I'm going to choose the second one. Click on save again, and let's see, refresh it again. See, it's changed. Let me give you the next example. Go back to the setting again, and I'm going to choose the third one option, and as a style I'm going to choose the first one. Click on save, and go back to the blog page and refresh it. See, it's changed. Okay, let me show you the next thing. Moving down, as you can see, there is some on and off option. If you want, you can on and off this option. Let me show you the example. Like, if you want to show social profile, just click on, and also if you want to show author profile, just click on, and click on save, and let's see what happened. As you can see, it's showing the author profile. Moving down, as you can see, it's also showing the social profile link here. Okay, in addition, I'm going to show you one more thing. Go back to the setting again, and here you can see the post tag option. If I off these options and click on save, let's see what happened. As you can see, there is no tag option, so you can play with all the option if you want to. Okay, moving to the next feature. The next feature is archive page. In this option, you can see there is exact similarities with the previous one. As you can see, there is variant kind of layout option, and each one of them has separate grid style. Along with this grid style, it has also column style. So I'm going to choose the second one, and as a grid style I'm going to choose the second one. Click on save, and let's see. So here you go. So it's showing as category option. So category option actually called as archive page option. So back to the settings. So now I'm going to choose the third one, the right sidebar, and as a grid style I'm going to choose the first one, and as a column I'm going to choose the 4 column, and click on save. Back to the page and refresh it. As you can see, everything has been changed. Back to the setting again. As previous one, it has also list sidebar option. So I'm going to choose the left list sidebar. As a grid style, I'm going to choose the second one. Click on save. Back to the page and refresh it. As you can see, the style has been changed. Back to the setting again. Now I'm going to choose the right sidebar list option. As a grid style, I'm going to choose the first one. Click on save. Go back to the page and refresh it. As you can see, the style has been changed. Similar like previous one, it has also some functionalities like archive banner option, archive presentation option. You can on and off this option if you want. Moving to the next feature. The next feature is author page option. In this author page option, you can see author page layout style. There is different kind of author page layout style. This is exactly look like the previous feature. Each one of them has separate grid style, and along with separate grid style, it has also column style. So let me show you how it works. So for now, I'm going to choose the second one style. As a grid style, I'm going to choose the second one, and as a column, I'll keep column 3. Click on save. Let's go to the page, go to the author section, click on author profile, and as you can see, it's changing. It's actually changing the post, which post posted by the author. So go to the setting again. So for now, I'm going to choose the number 3 one. And as a grid style, I'm going to choose the first one. And as a column, I'll keep column 4. Click on save and go to the page and refresh it. As you can see, it has been changed. It's changed its style. Let me show you the another example. Go back to the setting. For now, I'm going to choose the 4th one, which is list sidebar. And as a grid style, I'm going to choose the second one. Click on save, go to the page and refresh it. As you can see, it has been changed. Okay, let me show you the another example. Go back to the page settings. For now, I'm going to choose the first one. Click on save, back to the page and refresh it. See how it changed. So moving on to the next feature. The next feature is search page option. So as you can see, like previous features, it is also the same thing. First of all, before changing anything, I'm going to the page and click on search. Search anything like, okay, back to the page again and choose any of them. Like I'm going to choose the second one style. As a grid, I'm going to choose the second one and click on save and go to the page and see it's changed. Go to the setting again. For now, I'm going to choose the third one, the third sidebar. As a grid style, I'm going to choose the first one and keep column as a 4. Click on save, go to the page and refresh it. Let me show you the another example. Go back to the page settings as I'm choosing the 4th one, which is list sidebar. As a grid style, I'll keep the first one. Click on save, go to the page and refresh it. As you can see, it has been changed. Like this way, you can change your style as you want. So the next feature is shop page option. As you can see, there are 3 styles of shop page. So first of all, I'm going to the shop page. As you can see, this is the shop page. Go back to the settings. As I'm choosing the second sidebar and click on save. Back to the page, refresh it. And as you can see, it's changed. Back to the settings. For now, I'm choosing the third one. Click on save. Back to the page and refresh it. As you can see, it has been changed. Back to the settings. Right now, I'm going to change the column settings. Go back to page. It's changed. Back to the page again. Changing the column. Click on save. Back to page and refresh it. So let me show you the another thing. Moving down, it has display item settings. From here, you can adjust your display item option. How many display items you want to show, you can set from here. So the next thing is single shop page. It has also the same thing. So what is actually single shop page? Before I'm changing anything, I'm going to show you what is single shop page. So go back to the page, click on any product you want. So this is the single shop page. So let me show you how it works. Go back to the page settings. I'm going to choose the left sidebar and as a column, I'm going to choose 4. Click on save. Go back to the page and refresh it. As you can see, it has been changed. Go back to the page settings. So for now, I'm going to choose the right sidebar. As a column, I'll keep 2. Click on save. Go back to the page and refresh it. So as you can see, it has been changed again. So in this way, you can change your shop page settings. Next thing is error option. From here, you can change your error settings. If I go back to the page and write random thing after the slash, it's showing you the error style. You can change your error style from here. Okay, so the next thing is footer option. From here, you can control your footer settings. If I take you to the page like this, go to the bottom, and as you can see, there is a footer option. You can control your footer settings from here. The next thing is code editor. In this code editor, we have CSS editor. Then jQuery option. In this jQuery option, we have WP footer code option and we have WP head code option. You can add code from here as you want. So the last thing is backup. From here, you can take our backup as you want. So today, that's pretty much of it about Glamer features. So start your amazing journey with the best team, Glamer. Thank you so much for tuning in and see you in the next time.